Hey guys, welcome back to TechTotalTools. My name is Rambabu. In this video session, I will show you how to configure Cisco router using Ansible. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Without delay, we start the session. This is my Ansible-GNS3. In this video session, I will show you how to configure Cisco router using Ansible. Ansible-GNS3 Cisco router configuration steps. Number 1 step: GNS3 topology router and cloud. Add cloud network adapter is a VMware virtual network. Second step. Third step is Ansible server is running on VMware workstation. These are all the steps. This is my Ansible server. This is my Ansible server. This is my VMware workstation. This is my virtual machine. Ansible server is running in virtual machine. Next, I configure GNS3. Open that GNS3 and enter the project name. Okay. I take router C3600. Then set up GNS3 topology router cloud. This is Ansible server cloud, and this is the home network configuration environment setup. This is router. This is cloud. Cloud is using local virtual machine to GNS3 communication, GNS3 router communication through adapter configuring adapter, network adapter. This is cloud configuration. Add the network adapter. This is VMware virtual network. I am configured here virtual adapter VMnet 8. This is my VMware virtual network. The same network is configured on VMware workstation. I'll show you here in my local PC host network. Here I am showing virtual network, virtual machine network interface. It is configured in NAT configuration. Not here. Cancel. Go to edit virtual network adapter. Go to virtual network adapter. Here I configured VMnet 8 NAT configuration 192.168.10.0. The network ID is 192.168.10.0. I establish communication between router and cloud using fast Ethernet cable. router to router serial cable. I configure serial link. This is router 1. Have fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and serial Ethernet serial phase serial 1 by 0. Start the router. Start router 2. Next, I configure basic configuration in router. This is my scenario. Cloud network already configured this. This is the basic configuration of Cisco router. These are all prerequisites. Enable, configure and IP address. Open it console. Change settings, appearance. I maximize the font size. I increase that font size. This is basic configuration. Enable. Config. Show IP. First, I check that IP address. Show IP INT brief. There is no IP is configured here. Fast Ethernet and serial Ethernet also, serial nets also not configured here. First I configure fast Ethernet. This is the fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Cloud to router configuration communication through fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Config T INT fast Ethernet 0 by 0. IP edge 192.168.168.10.200 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. Press enter. I am taking another cloud also here. Configure the same. I am trying to configure second Ethernet, the same virtual network. VMnet H. Add. Apply. Okay. Yeah, servers. That router should be stopped. Stop the router and configure. Connect that cable, fast Ethernet. Again I start that router. These are fast Ethernet 1/0 and 2/0, both are connected. Console output. Change that font size, increase that font size, change this 60. Okay, apply. Enable config T. Show IP int brief, spell mistake, sh IP int brief. Yes, again there is no IP is configured here. That router clear that previous configuration. Stop and start, clear that configuration. Again I configure here. Config T int fast Ethernet. Which one? First 0/0 IP add space 192.168.10.200 space 255.255.255.0. Enter. No shutdown. No shut. Yes. Host name. Router 1. Okay, change that host name. IP domain name. You give any name, not a problem. Okay, dot local. Here generate RSA key, crypto. Crypto key generate RSA. Key space generate RSA. Here we give above 10.02, 10.20, 10.24, above 24 we can given here 2048. I enter 2048. IP SSH version 2. After configuration complete, we yes, it was generated. IP SSH version 2. Enter line VTY 0 to 50. This is the enable interfaces. SSH enable and these interfaces login local, transport input. Yeah, default transport input is telnet, but I am changing here SSH. Transport input is SSH exit. Here I am given user and password. Username Ram, space secret Rambab. So secret password. Enable password. This is the enable password. Enable password and secret password I configured here. Username is Ram. Control Z. Yeah, save and quit. This is the basic configuration of Cisco router. If we run any playbook, this configuration is necessary. This is Ansible server side configuration. Here I configure these tabs. This is the Ansible server. First, as key generation, SSH key gen -f /home/ram .sh. This is the -192.168.10.200. Yes, permission denied. Sudo. Okay. Here known host is configured. Previous known host is changed to old one. Next, add that IP and router name in host file. Add Cisco IP and Ansible host file. vi/etc/ansible/hosts. Here already configured here. Cisco group name is Cisco. IP address 192.168.10.200. Ansible user is Ram. Ansible password is Rambab. Next, run the playbook. Run Ansible playbook for configuration. Go to back, ls, here Cisco configuration playbook is there. I will show you playbook in here. cat cisco config.mil. This is the router configuration playbook. So host is host Cisco, connection local, gather facts no, tasks, get page information, IP commands, show version. These are commands. These two commands include iOS, show IP and interface brief. This registered output debug. This is the set facts, provider, username, Ram, password Rambabu, authentication, password is Rambabu, configure interface, settings and password. This IP address is 200, already previously configured here. Settings, this is the serial interface. This is the first Ethernet configured, first Ethernet serial 1/0. This is the serial interface 1/0, 192.168.1.20. I am configured here in serial interface. Ansible Playbook Cisco.com config get YAML. I run that playbook. Get base information. This is the command. Yes, I am getting IP and brief command. These are all IP address. This is 22. Previously I changed that IP address. First Ethernet also configured here. Yes, first Ethernet 0/0 200 and serial interface 1/0 is 22. Previously 20, 22. Now I am changed here 20. 192.168.1.20. Show IP and brief is the 20. 192.168.1.20. This is the serial interface configuration through Ansible. I want to change again. This config.yml. And change IP address and serial interface 2222 in serial. Okay, again from the playbook. Ansible playbook Cisco config.yml. Here first it shows previous configuration, after that it shows current configuration. Yes, this is the previous configuration 192.168.1.20. Now it changed 2222. 192.168.1.22.22. Serial interface only changed here. Setting, configure serial interface setting. Get base information again from the commands. This is the change here. Again I check here. Show IP and brief 22. 192.168.1.22. This is Ansible networking automation Playbook. This is in this video. Ansible-GNS3 Cisco router configuration. Steps is GNS3 topology, create cloud network, and Ansible service running VMware workstation. This is the scenario. Make cloud. This is Cisco router. This is the basic configuration of Cisco router. These are all configuration. RSA key generation and SSH. This is the Ansible server side configuration. This is. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video session. Kindly subscribe, like, share it, like and share it. Thank you very much.